The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teacher. Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I, Dilpreet Kaur of class 932, stand before you to speak on the topic Teachers' Day. Celebrating Teachers' Day at school is one of the finest memories from the school days. With no doubt, we can say everyone will agree with it. Beginning to prepare to surprise our teachers with all the decorations along with elaborate plays, essays, and speeches is an event that leaves a mark in our memory. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was a great person. He became the first vice president of the country and the second president of the country. Besides, before being a vice president and president, he was a philosopher, a teacher, and an author. In addition, his birthday, 5 September, is celebrated as Teachers' Day in India every year. He was among one of the great leaders of the country, and due to his contribution to education, his birthday is often called Teachers' Day. He was born in 1888 in Madras in a very poor Brahmin family. Due to the poor economic status of his family, he completed his studies with the help and support of scholarship. He completed his early education from various missionary schools spread across the geographical boundaries of the city. Besides, he takes much interest in philosophy and completed his bachelor's and master's degrees from philosophy. After completing his MA degree, he started working as an assistant lecturer in the Madras Presidency College. Also, he had an interest in religious mythologies and he mastered the class Hindu philosophy such as Bhagavad Gita, Brahma Sutra, Ramanuja, and Bhagavata. Beside these, he mastered many other classic Hindu philosophies too. In addition, he was well familiar with the philosophies of Jain and Buddhist. Also, he was well aware of the thinkers of the Western world. In 1918, he became a professor at the University of Mysore, and soon after that, Calcutta University nominated him for the professor of philosophy. Later on in his life, he was called from Oxford University to deliver lectures on Hindu philosophy. Furthermore, after many of his hard efforts, he was able to put Indian philosophy on the world map. It is because of his attempts that the Indian philosophy is able to put a mark on the world. At last, I want to share a famous quote of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. It was, "A life of joy and happiness is possible only on the basis of knowledge and science." Thanks and have a great day.